This is how to fix the error code EF349 on your Worcester Bosch boiler. If it's displaying an error code, it simply means there's something wrong with your boiler. With the Greenstar 25 SI Combi boiler, this is likely caused by the water temperature difference within your boiler being incorrect while operating in minimum load. First, let's check the water pressure in your boiler. We're looking for this to be between 1 and 1.5 bar. If the error is still showing after you've topped the water up, we'll need to look a little deeper, and this isn't something you can fix here. For more advice or to arrange a visit straight away from one of our Gas Safe Registered engineers, just click the Get in Touch link below. Simple as that.